Come on, buddy. Got him. Yes. Ooh. Water. Oh. Got him. Oh, happy day. That is a good fish. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take it easy. That is a solid brown. Oh, got him. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That is a solid fish. Well, hi all, welcome to Fly Fishing with Krazza again. Today I'm fishing, it's a river I've really wanted to fish for a long time. I've driven past it many times, so I just thought, you know what, today I'll pull up here. It's about 3 degrees, it's a nice stream. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you enjoy the content that I produce, subscribe if you like, that'd be great. I'll be doing some Euro nymphing, some nymph under indicator as well. It's only a shallow stream, but it does have some nice pools, and I'll see how we go. Thanks for watching. A nice little run here. I thought there might be something in here, so not a very deep stream, but doesn't mean there's no fish in here. One of my first fish here. What is this? Whoa. Not a bad one in this little stream. There we go. It was just Euro nymphing, a little nymph. Wet my hand. And there we go. Look at that. Nice brown trout. There's a beautiful fish. That's the first one for today. So I'm pretty happy with that. Never fished this river. So yeah, we'll let him go. Go on, buddy. There he goes. Off he goes. Well, it's a good start. I've been fishing probably for about 15 minutes, so it looks promising. Well, I think I've taken it a bit too far here. I've hit this track and trying to follow the river, and it just goes straight uphill there. I mean, the car's got down this dirt road to follow the river. I mean, the river's down there. But there's just too much debris and just everything's overhanging, so it's not really good for Euro nymphing or fly fishing. So I'm just going to move on from this river. Unfortunately, it's just, you know, you can try, and it's always good fun exploring new tracks and that. But I'm in like a big valley here. You can see I'm in a big valley, and yeah, I'm not going up that hill. She's going to maybe cause some damage. So yeah, I'm just going to move on from this river. Caught one trout here, so that's it. As you can see, she's a pretty dense track. All the sensors are going off all the time. But you know, it's nice looking for new spots to fish, and if they're productive, well, you know, it's just somewhere you can come back to. But I think I have to give this spot a miss because I'm going to just scratch the crap out of my car. So yeah, that's it. I mean, it's good fun. I mean, some people like bush bashing. It's not really my thing. I'd rather ride a dirt bike or something like that. I like motorbikes. So yeah, anyway, I'll just show you some of the terrain I've covered. Alright, decided to go to the Goulburn. The other place wasn't that good. And looks like I'm on to my first fish in the Goulburn. And it looks like it's another brown. So there we go. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Come on, buddy. Got him. Happy days. And that was on the little peeping caddis that I tie. It's a nice brown too. I mean, the river's running at 9,000 megalitres today. So there we go, beautiful brown trout. That's a wild one, just lovely. All right, see you, buddy. Off he goes. Can't complain about that. Let's see if we can get another one. That was just probably the third cast. There we go. Let's see. No. Whoa. Oh, I just stepped down. Whoa. And I realised it was that deep here. Everything changes when the water level goes up. Well, here's the stonker I caught. I'm having some smoked trout now for lunch. I just love it with salada crackers. You just can't beat it. A friend of mine tells me it's restaurant quality. I'm doing a video soon about how to fillet and how to smoke trout. So I'm going to release my secret recipe. So keep an eye out for that. It's a bit of a process, but I tell you what, this smoked trout is just amazing. Oh. That's it. Bit of cheese, couple of saladas, and there's lunch. So yeah, that's the stonker from opening day. That's me lunch for today. Oh, I can't wait to get into it. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. I'm going to hit the third river now. So I've caught one in the King Parrot, one in the Goulburn, and now I'm going to hit the Rubicon. So let's see how that goes. Yeah, the Goulburn's running hard. It's 9,000 megalitres today. So anyway, it doesn't matter. If you don't come, you don't catch. I still managed to catch one. Just it does limit your access points. I'll probably once I've finished fishing the Rubicon, I might go back to the Goulburn on the way home and see how I can do in another spot. But anyway, cheers. All right, I'm on in the Rubicon finally. Let's get it in the slower water. Taking a nymph. Oh. No, don't go. It's another brown. That's 3 browns today. So that's it. One in the king parrot, one in the Goulburn, and one in the Rubicon. Beautiful fish. Look at those red spots. God, I love the look of them things. My favourite trout, the brown. Anyway, we'll let her go. See you, buddy. Happy days. So that's finally on the Rubicon. I've sort of been fishing about half an hour now. So we'll keep going. Oh, can get slippery here. How beautiful is this? Never fished this spot before. If I don't catch nothing, at least it's beautiful to look at. Oh, oh, that was a take. Oh. Yes. Oh. And out of that water. Oh. Got him. Oh, happy days. How's that? It's a beautiful piece of water there. I thought, you know what, I'll turn the camera on. And sure enough, I was rewarded with this beautiful brown trout. Look at that, another brown trout. It's 4 browns today. I'm happy with that. Anyway, we'll let him go. Oh, see you, buddy. So I've got another creek or river flowing into the Rubicon. I didn't know about this. So, yeah, it's just interesting. It's just beautiful. So I've got a good fish here. Whoa, 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 whoa. That is a good fish. That's got to be at least 45 centimetres. Another brown. Hopefully I can get this into the net. I can see I've just lipped the top. Oh, come on. That is a good fish. Whoa, 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 take it easy. Alright, alright. Up. That is a solid brown. Oh, got him. Oh, that is a solid fish. I wasn't going to come here, but I thought on the way home I'll pull in. So, oh. I've caught a fish everywhere I've pulled up, so that's pretty good. Oh, see, that was hooked in good. And that's on the brunette that I tie. There we go. Look at that, that is a solid fish. That is a really solid fish. Yeah, that's easily 45. Maybe knocking 50 as well. Happy days. Oh, I love that. That's it, and he's gone. Happy days. Well, that's it. Another pretty successful trip, I've got to say. I tackled 3 rivers and caught 1 in each, and caught a few more in the Rubicon and here in the Goulburn I finished off with that really nice brown here. So yeah, I can't complain. It's been a top day. So I hope you liked the video, and if you do like my content, you know, think about subscribing. It helps my channel. Give it a like or give it a thumbs up, and make a comment. I'll always get back to you. So yeah, that's it for today. I was pretty happy with the result. So yeah, thanks for watching again, and God bless. Bye.